Apparel industry is going through an unprecedented time period, and the pandemic has brewed a perfect storm for the industry. What started as a supply shortage has now become a demand catastrophe. Globally, a minimum 25 to 30% impact on business with multiplier effect on subsidiary industries. Sri Lankan apparel business will perhaps take $2 billion hit from supply chain disruption. In the aftermath of a crisis, resilient players are given a new opportunity to outperform its rivals. Sri Lankan apparel makers are now put to the test as to how fast they are able to evolve to suit their newly changed environment. The crisis will undoubtedly shake out the weak, embolden the strong, and accelerate the decline of struggling companies. No one will be safe from shrinking revenues. The silver lining is that despite widespread hardship, the industry will be granted a chance to reset and completely reshape its supply chain. Companies must strategically think about their future now. This includes identifying financial leverage, divestitures, acquisition opportunities, and strategic partnerships. We at Compreli understands the importance of strengthening our partnerships in any such way possible to leverage each other's strengths in meeting challenges of the future. Our services are used by 6 out of the 10 largest apparel manufacturers in the region and some of the top-tier brands. We are here to help you. Compreli have helped many companies in improving cut-to-ship and receive-to-ship to a 1 to 0.5% difference, forcing companies to rapidly dispense with age-old industry practices and creating new ones. We ought to purchase less fabric and cut only absolutely what is needed to ship. Let us help you to ship every garment. Your company needs to save every dollar, and so does Sri Lanka as a whole. Compreli is the market leader in garment restoration with head office in Sri Lanka and branch offices in Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India. Our technicians currently restore 2 garments every minute of the day and help add thousands of dollars to the bottom line. Call us today. Let us team up to build a better tomorrow.